Delhi has recorded its worst December air quality in about 7 years, even though stubble burning contributed only a small share to high pollution levels. Now, viewers, official data shows that Delhi's average AQI for this month, 2025, stood at 349. This is the highest since December of 2018, with an average AQI was 360. So this means that air quality remained firmly in very poor to severe category through most of this month. A look at past year shows that pollution levels have fluctuated. December average AQI was 301 in 2015. It rose to 337 in 2019, stayed above 330 between 2020 and 2021, and then eased slightly to 319 in 2022, worsened again to 348 in 2023, improved to about 294 in 2024, and then jumped sharply to 349 this year. Now, viewers, let's understand what is the significance and the role of stubble burning, in fact, in this. Now, according to the Central Pollution Control Board, farm fires here accounted for about just 3.5% of Delhi's PM 2.5 pollution till December 5th this year. This is in fact the lowest contribution in recent years. It is down from 13% in 2020 and 2021 and around 9 to 11% between 2022 and 2024 before falling sharply this year. Now, viewers, despite this, Delhi continued to choke. The city recorded 5 days of severe air quality in December compared to 6 such days last year, with the AQI touching 401, slipping into the severe category from a 390 a day earlier, which was still very poor. Experts say that this highlights a bigger issue at hand. With stubble burning playing a limited role, the focus now shifts to local sources of pollution such as vehicle emissions, road dust, construction activity, and weather conditions that trap pollutants. In short, Delhi's worst December air in 7 years cannot be blamed on farm fires alone, pointing to the urgent need to tackle local pollution sources more effectively. And now, viewers, given the situation right now, New Delhi is stepping up efforts to control dust pollution at major bus terminals. The Delhi government here is planning to now install anti-smog guns at interstate bus terminals or ISBTs, beginning with Kashmiri Gate, one of the city's busiest transport hubs. Officials say about 8 anti-smog guns will be installed on the roof of the Kashmiri Gate ISBT. These will be, in fact, auto-swing roof-mounted machines which are designed to spray fine water mist and reduce dust levels in and around the terminal. A tender has already been floated by the Delhi Transport Infrastructure Development Corporation for the installation. Now, viewers, each smog gun will have a spray range of up to 30 meters and then will be fitted with a strong stainless steel cannon. In fact, for continuous operation, the system will be connected to a 1,000-litre stainless steel water tank. And the cost here of installing the anti-smog guns at the Kashmiri Gate alone is estimated to be Rs 38.44 lakh, according to official documents. Now, viewers, Delhi currently has about 3 ISBTs, including Kashmiri Gate, Sarai Kale Khan and Anand Vihar. Similar measures could also be considered at other terminals in the future, but we're beginning with the Kashmiri Gate at this moment. Officials say that the move is part of a broader plan which is guided by a special expert committee, including former senior government officials, pollution control experts, representatives from CAQM and specialists from IIT Delhi as well as IIT Kanpur. Now, viewers, the broader aim here is to cut down dust pollution at high traffic public spaces and then improve air quality for commuters as well as residents.